This doggy loves this cleaning lady. He goes crazy every time he sees her. He will jump all over her and he wags his tail like crazy. She's known him since she was a puppy. The best is that he gets most excited when he hears her vacuum cleaner. He knows she's around when he hears the vacuum and follows the sound of it to her. He will even bark to make sure she notices him if he sees her walking around. I love the giggles of the owner. So wholesome. This definitely makes both of their days better whenever they see each other. I love dogs.